Specification: Samsung refrigerator, model RT34DG5A2BS8HL, 330-liter capacity and twin cooling fresh room, 20-year warranty on digital inverter compressor, double door 2-star rating, inbuilt stabilizer free operation, annual energy consumption 277 unit per year, power source 230 watts for 50 hajar, on big box vegetable and fruit box, net weight 61 kgs, MRP rate 54,990 rupees, including off all taxes. Offer price 3,355 rupees.
We've been waiting for so long.